all these groceries for $40. They were $40 for all this.
We argue like real sisters.
We really do. I just put some random Good morning, y'all. Vlogmas day 2. So I'm getting ready to go to the gym, but first I have to get some pictures in this workout outfit. I'm trying to find something to wear, y'all. I thought it was going to be like warm this morning. It's freezing cold outside. So, and I haven't been to the gym since the summer months. I don't even know where my winter gym clothes are and like jackets and things, so I have to find something. But I have to get a picture in this workout outfit that was sent to me by Shape by Cashmere on Instagram. Oh my god, y'all, she's so sweet. She sent me 2 outfits. One is another like short set with hoodie. I don't know when I'll be able to get a picture in that one. I'll try to go ahead and do it even though it's freezing cold outside, so she can have this content, because she was so nice to send this to me. But I'm gonna rock this cute blue one. I think this is the Sydney set, and I have this t-shirt on top because the gym I'm going to, my room is a mess right now. I hope y'all didn't see any of that. I'm going to Planet Fitness, and you know, it's just one of those gyms where you need to put a shirt on. So I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do, but I'm about to grab my shoes and stuff and get some pictures in these outfits. Ooh, it's so cold out here. The wind is blowing, and look, I have literally nothing on. What's that? A mosquito. Ooh. And I'm out here trying to be an Instagram model. Trust me, I've modeled in worse conditions than this, so it's nothing. Just get out here and get these pictures and get back into the room, okay? So this is how I take my photos with this clicker, and I just kind of pose. It is so cold, and my butt is gonna be barking tomorrow because I should not be out here. So I have my little protein bar. This is all I'm gonna eat. I got this from Aldi. I'm not sure how much protein is in here, but it is 180 calories in one bar. Then I have my glass water bottle. This was gifted to me last year for Christmas by my god sister Amber. So I'm about to make my way to the gym, and I will see you guys when I get there. And by the way, the other things that take me to the gym are my Beats headphones that I stole from my dad. These weightlifting gloves. I forgot what you call them, weight glove, whatever. And then a waist trainer. And I just, yeah. Deodorant for when I can't go anywhere. I mean, when I can't shower right after the gym and I have to run errands. That I don't have a lock for the gym. Well, I lost mine, so I had to get a new one today. So when I get in here, I'm going to do 15 minutes of cardio, and then my workout today I think is going to be more of a full body with a focus on like legs and hips, because that's what I really want to like build up. Look who it is. Well, y'all, Charles is a bodybuilding champion.
I got second place in my weight division.
This is first competition, y'all.
Yeah, it's my very first one. Second place here. Third place overall. I faced all the lightweight, middleweight, and heavyweights. Yeah, third place out of 5 people. So
I'm so proud.
I appreciate it.
Charles was the one who like created my workout plan for me when I first was coming to the gym back in like the beginning of the year and the earlier half of the year. But yeah, he, like, if y'all saw him then and now, like, he was always very buff, but he was very buff. So he like leaned all the way down and then built back up. But it's like, he looks so good. Not like that. He's like my brother. I've known him like my whole life. We grew up together in church. But like, he looks amazing. And that's like just so amazing what the body can do. So I finished my workout. What's wrong with my face? I don't know. And I was planning to go to Aldi. Would it be bad if I ran in Dollar General and got a couple of grocery bags? Because that's my issue. I don't have any grocery bags to put them in. Can I like go to Dollar General, because there's one right here by the gym, and grab a couple bags, and then, or would that be too ghetto? I'm about to run in here and get me some bags, cause let me just pull on into this park, cause I got quite a bit of things to get at Aldi. Okay, I'm about to run in here. So I went in there and the girl know I just came in there. The girl know I just came in there and got some stuff, and I told her, don't worry about giving me a bag. She can keep the bag. I should have just kept the bag, because she act like she didn't want to give me no bag. So that's the least she could do. It's like I still deserve a bag. I bought stuff. I just didn't keep my bag. But anyways, I got like 2 bags, and then I can use my little, my gym bag, I guess. But right now I am, ooh, that good light, heading to Aldi to get some groceries. And then I'll be heading home, probably gonna eat a snack and then like cook lunch, and like I'm gonna start back meal prepping. So I'm gonna do that. I'm supposed to get with Tamia sometime and film a new intro for my YouTube channel for Vlogmas, if this is what I'm doing. And not that it's necessary, but I just wanted something, you know, for the holiday season, since this is a special segment. Okay, bye. Just say hi. Y'all, this is my other mama. I came up here by my job.
Yay. I love my sweet tea.
I love you. And then Gabby, oh, she just walked to the back, but she's in the back helping somebody, my other sister.
That's right. My another mother. They argue like real sisters.
We really do.
They do. They do. So, yay. So
yeah, here's my sister. Working hard.
Yeah. Hardly working hard.
Gabby, who the shop is named after.
That's right.
Gabrielle. Yes. Y'all, I am so hurt. Do you see this glass on the ground? I dropped my bottle, my water bottle that I was just bragging about, and it done rolled over here. I'm so upset, Amber. I'm so sorry I broke this. Please give me another one. No, just tell me where you got it from so you can get me one. Dang. So I just want to show you guys everything I got, and y'all, I got all these groceries for $40. They were $40 for all this. Now at Walmart, anywhere else, you'll be paying a good probably $80. But or I don't go grocery shopping that much, so I don't know. But I know it's gonna be more than $40. That's all I'm saying. So basically I'm like on a weight gain journey, which I just really want to build muscle and like build up my legs a little bit, just get more toned. But I started doing this at the beginning of the year and was doing really good, and then I fell off the train, so I'm back at it again. But a lot of things I got are going to be things that are like protein, high in protein. So yeah, so let me show you. I'm going to be meal prepping with the shrimp, the chicken breast, and the pink salmon. These were no more than $5 or $6 a bag for each thing, so that's crazy. Got broccoli. I started to get a mix, but I love broccoli, so I'm just gonna stick with that. Got me some rice. I wanted basmati rice, but they didn't have it. Roasted red pepper hummus. I've never had this kind. I love their roasted garlic hummus. That is so good, but paired with these chips, oh my god, the best combination. But I also got some carrots to also eat with the hummus to switch it up a little bit. I don't always want to eat chips with it, even though it's so good. And then I also wanted some celery, but they didn't have any celery. Then I got these 3-pack snacks. I think these were like $3 or $2 for these, and I thought this was good to carry with me to work, to eat in between meals. Some oatmeal. I got this creamy French dressing. I've never had French dressing, but someone made some salmon one time with French dressing on it, so I'm gonna try to make that. And then just some string cheese as another snack. Oh, and then I got this guava mango juice and these protein bars, which they're actually pretty good. They're dark chocolate and almond. So I got a lot of stuff for $40. So if you don't have an Aldi where you live, you're missing out. But we just got ours like a few months ago, and it's amazing. Okay, so now I'm about to I didn't realize my roommate was cooking tonight, and she has some fish thawing out over here. I don't know what she's cooking, but anyway, I'm still on my weight gain journey, so I'm still gonna cook and I'm still gonna eat because I'm trying to get these gains. But I'm probably gonna eat me a little snack right now and then do a meal prepping because I'm still gonna have to eat after tonight. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, bye guys. So I decided to not do a full meal prep, but over here I just have my shrimp going. I just put some random seasonings together, you know, your basic like Italian, some garlic, crushed red pepper, and then I have my rice going over here, and then the broccoli was already cooked, so it really only needs to be like steamed, you know, warmed up. So I'm just probably gonna get up tomorrow and meal prep since I guess my roommate is cooking, so I'll eat whatever she cooks tonight, and then meal prep for the rest of my week tomorrow. But oh my gosh, my plant over here looks so sad. She hasn't been watered, and look, we got another plant over here. And they're both real. Okay, bon appetit. Got my broccoli, my rice, and my shrimps. I cooked my shrimps a little too long on one side, so, and then I got some of that guava mango juice, but I really need water, so I only got a little bit. I know I look a mess right now. My room behind me looks a mess. I know. I've eaten. I need to take a shower because I still haven't showered. I have a headache. So after I shower, I'm probably gonna lay down and take a nap. Tamia was supposed to come over. I don't know where she is. So guess we'll see when she gets here. But we're getting new carpet, so I have to get like everything out of my room, which is a pain. But I guess I'm glad to be getting new carpet. Remember how my plant was drooping, y'all? She was so thirsty. She's literally like standing up right now. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after, but I gave her that water maybe 2 or 3 hours ago, and she's standing back up. Oh, she was so thirsty. Say hey to the vlog. It's Vlogmas. Kristen did so good with dinner. We had broccoli. You did it!
I didn't have foundation on. I forgot.
Yes, you did.
I forgot.
Broccoli,
I'm asking you a question.
a honey garlic baked flounder, and some broccoli cheese rice or whatever.
What tastes better, cupcakes or cakes?
cupcakes. But I'm supposed to be helping clean up the kitchen because, you know, we got to deal with, like, whoever cooks, the other person cleans. But oh, Kristen, I can't come in here. Let me shut this door.
Y'all like burn a candle or something?
Something. Hey, where's my lighter?
At my house, remember?
No, I had another one.
Dang.
What does the time of year have anything to do with it?
This is not the community lighter, okay?
I take it. Gee, where'd you get an accent like that? Didn't your parents teach you anything? Parents. Never had much.
Hey y'all, so I have gotten ready for bed, washed my face and stuff. Tamia left. I'm sorry I wasn't so good about vlogging when we were having dinner and stuff. We were just having a good time, enjoying family and each other and each other's company. But yeah, I'm about to edit this vlog, day 2, and hopefully get it up tomorrow morning, and then get, you know, back on track and get caught up and get day 3 up tomorrow, because technically tomorrow is day 3. And then I'm just gonna watch some Disney Plus, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye. I'm so awkward. Bye, my loves.